So today we are opening a new washing machine. It's from the company Candy. 7 kgs front door washing machine. So let's open it. What are we waiting for? I'm taking my daddy's help to open it.
Take it back here.
And out of power. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. It's alright, I can cut this part. Okay. This is a smart washing machine. We can operate it with the Wi-Fi. See here the buttons and stuff. We can set it at all fabrics. And here the buttons and temperatures. This is for washing powder. So this is the front door. And I'm gonna open it right now. Yes. So we have some instructions here. And water pipe. Happy washing everyone. Bye bye.